Today, we'll be making some delicious momos. These mouth-watering dumplings originated in Tibet and Nepal and made their way to India. In today's recipe, we'll cover 2 types of momos, a chicken and egg filling along with 2 types of sauces. Let's start with the dough. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl along with a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix them together and add 2/3 of a cup of hot water to the flour in small increments. Mix and knead the flour into a firm dough and set it aside to rest for a minimum of 30 minutes. After the dough is well rested, roll it out into a long, thin strip and split into 1/2 inch pieces. Press them flat to prepare them for rolling. And cover with a cloth so the dough doesn't dry out when we roll them out. Roll each dough piece into a circle about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. If you like the recipes so far, please consider subscribing and sharing. It really helps my channel grow. I created this channel so my kids can have all their favorite recipes in the future, and maybe a few others will use my recipes as well. Let's move on to our filling. Grate or mince a cabbage and a few carrots and set them aside in a bowl. For the egg filling, lightly scramble 3 full eggs. For the chicken filling, you'll need 1 cup of minced chicken breast. Place the egg and the chicken in separate bowls. Add the following into each bowl: 1/2 cup of the grated cabbage and carrot mix, a 1/4 cup of spring onions, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 inch grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 cup of finely diced onions, 1 teaspoon of green chili, 1/2 teaspoon of salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. To finish off the filling and really enhance the flavor, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter and add 2 cloves of minced garlic and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Fry and pour into the bowl. Mix the ingredients together so they're well incorporated. Now it's time to assemble our momos. I'll show you 2 ways to fold the dumplings. First, place your filling in the middle of the dough and fold it in half. Then, pinch and overlap the edges and press them together to form a seal. For a second method, place your filling in the middle again, but this time don't fold the dough in half. Instead, pull the edges and overlap them like so. This will create sort of an upside-down mushroom. Once you've folded all your momos, it's time to steam them. Bring your water to a boil and place the momos in a steamer tray. Cover and let steam for 15 minutes. Once it's done, you can enjoy the momos as is or with your favorite sauce. But if you stick around, I'll show you 2 sauces that go great with these momos. For the first sauce, add 1 diced tomato, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 5 to 7 Kashmiri chilies, and about a cup of water. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove everything from the water and let cool. You can set the water aside. We can use it in the second sauce. Once the tomatoes have cooled down, remove the skin. Get out your blender so we can blend these ingredients into a sauce. Add some salt to taste and blend. Sauce 1, done. For sauce 2, add 1/2 cup of the tomato water from earlier. You can use regular water too. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1½ teaspoon of brown sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and fry 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of sesame seed. Add to the sauce and mix. Sauce 2. Done. Serve with our momos and enjoy these delicious, juicy dumplings.